This is Dave from Newmac Equipment. I'm just doing a little demonstration video of a Bridgeport turret mill we got for sale. So I'll just do a quick sort of general walk round. Okay. Let's go around the back of the machine. Machine is a pulley and V-belt drive machine, so these covers have been added, so they have to come out. And as you can see, you just change the speeds like you would change the speeds on a pedestal drill. Okay, so you have to slacken off the pulleys and then change the V-belt to a different position to get different speeds. So the machine has a forward and reverse speed range, so we'll just start the so you can see that's going forward direction, and they're going in the opposite direction. You can see the quill feed is going, yeah, you see the quill goes up and down. I'll move it down to roughly to about that position, engage the feed. So it's going in the opposite wrong way. Change the direction. Okay. It's having a bit of trouble holding it in, but it's just a bit. Should drop out once it gets some pressure in there. That's it, and it's out. So that works. 2-axis digital readout. I'll turn that one of the handles. You can see that's working. The table's going in, back out. And if I operate the crossfeed manually, you can see that all works as well. So obviously you can change from millimetres to inches. Okay. That way. At the moment we have the table feed going. Right out. It's the opposite direction. Stopped. I've just slackened off the belts and on the belt. I'm just going to tighten up again and show it running at a different speed. So, starter, this needs putting back in. It goes in now. We'll start running again. Speed. It all sounds nice. I'd say that is the top speed on the machine. The spinning sounds good.